Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best dash cams available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have Crosstour Dual Dash Cam. It comes combined with front and rear dual lens. CR900 can monitor both the roads ahead and behind simultaneously in super clear definition, which means double security for your journey. On number 4 we have Aukey Dash Cam. The Aukey Dash camera features a Sony IMX323 sensor and 170-degree wide-angle lens to bring a large amount of light input. That enables the camera to perform a great imaging effect, capture every detail whether day or night. The camera fits discreetly behind your rear view mirror, which will not block your view. This 3M sticker mount and cable clips for simple and secure installation. On number 3 we have Garmin Dash Cam. This Garmin Dash Cam Mini captures high-quality 1080p HD footage in a dash camera about as small as a car key. Once plugged into your vehicle's power source, the camera continually records and automatically saves video of incidents. It is built in Bluetooth technology and Wi-Fi connectivity to let you upload saved footage to your compatible smartphone running the Garmin Drive app. The Garmin Drive app is your convenient solution to view, edit and share your dash cam footage. On number 2 we have Vava Dash Cam. The dash cam holds up to 12-hour videos as it supports up to 128GB Class 10 micro SD card, and it utilizes H.264 advanced compression technology. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, new recordings will automatically overwrite the oldest recordings. This dual 150-degree wide angle to reduce blind spots. It has wide f1.8 aperture camera lens, lets in more light to produce sharper footage even in low light conditions. On number 1 we have Aukey Mini Dash Cam. This small low-profile dash camera for cars can be perfectly hidden behind the rear mirror. That's ready to back you up in the event of any incident on the road. And also it comes with 1080p recording and wide dynamic range, captures clear high-definition video even at night. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.